Hey you guys, I'm really excited today. We got this box FedEx this morning from Lightforce. Let's take a look at what's inside of it. This is like Christmas. Looks like we got a set of the Venoms LED. Of course, the corresponding filters and wiring harnesses. We got the ROK40 lights. Looks like another wiring harness. Woo! And the Granddaddy Big Papa HTX2s. Looks like two sets or a pair of those. It's gonna be pretty awesome, you guys. Stay tuned to see what how this build goes on these lights and this Lightforce sponsorship. Big thanks to Lightforce as well. Thanks guys, appreciate it.